Alright guys, I'm officially saying hi. I love you all. I love you guys and I miss you. Yeah, so I came home from the park from my walk because, you know, like walking, you know, healing, recovering, and it's healthy. So, you know, I need to do it. So I do it. And I got home and had a shower, changed my clothes, and I'm about to start cleaning the kitchen. And all I'm doing today is the kitchen. Like I said, I'm still recovering, so I have to take it slow. So I'm just cleaning the kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys what is going on in the kitchen right now. So this is actually chicken that I thawed out for dinner. So that's gonna go back in the fridge until I'm ready to season it up. Yeah, all this got to get cleared off the counter. This got to go in the wash, and the sink got to get cleaned. All these things need to be washed up. These kitchen towels need to also be put in the laundry. And I'm gonna take it easy, but I'm gonna do the floor because it's messy. And of course, clean the counter. And that's pretty much. Sorry, let me put this back here. It's a little rocky right now, but I promise you it will get better. And it got better, just like life. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today, one day at a time. Like I said, I'm feeling a lot better, and I'm just taking it easy, one day at a time. So yeah. Oh, if you are new to my channel, I'm Maria, if you don't already know that. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. If you like my content, I do faith-based lifestyle videos, you know, home decor, clean with me, hauls, like outfit of the day, fashion videos, just lifestyle videos in general. If you like that kind of content, thumbs up this video and subscribe. And if you've been watching my videos and you've not already subscribed, I always say, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. All right, so let's get right into the video.